objectives and somehow like breaking them by shooting them. But alright, let's go. You guys want to stick together or not? Gonna go in groups of 2 or stick together?
Stick together. There's only 4 of us.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, let's stick
Let's
together.
go this way. Or you want to go straight for
Hold
us,
on, hold on.
Well, let's kill Osama first and then blow it up.
Alright, let's go.
I'm wearing a hoodie right now and I have to fix my sleeves.
You want to clear that building?
There's nothing in that spawn building.
Yeah. I don't know why I see so many people clear that building for no reason.
Yeah, that's such a waste.
I think we should get the dude with the LMG in the front.
Yeah.
That's what I was gonna roll, but I just...
Yeah, here, you run front. You run in front. You got the LMG.
I don't have a laser on
hate
it and
rolling
stuff,
those
so
things.
I can be able to be very accurate.
Watch street.
Unless
I don't have a
you're on
suppressor on
there.
my gun
Where
either,
my
so...
laser is.
Come on, please be an enemy here, please be an enemy here, something going down.
Shit. Shot fired.
Careful.
Building clear.
Hold up, I'm seeing if someone's dead. They might get back up. Okay, we're clear.
Finish it with your pistol. Finish the kill.
Oh, here, I'll wait for you.
Okay, we're good. We're good.
Where's it going?
Okay, let's get down the hill fast. We're out in the open.
You mean up the hill?
Oh, I didn't
Out-
load my
out
gun,
of
that's
the-
why it's so shaky.
We're in the open too.
Alright. I'm back. I went and got my headphones. We're pushing this door.
I'm confused how you wouldn't shot me.
That's not good. Get it up.
Going down the host, who the host is.
Two of them are surrendering.
I have my laser up in there.
Target secure. Keep your heads up.
I can't pick that shit up. There we go. Alright, yo, where's everyone else going?
I'm over here.
I got a breaching shotgun.
Alright. Let's breach.
Alright. Now, how do I got
Ready?
lockpicks. I got lockpicks. Don't just
They know we're coming.
Shit, I don't even think I have lockpick. Oh, wait, I have one lockpick. Alright, let's go.
You can't even lockpick this door.
Smash it. I'll stay right here.
Yep.
One down, man down, I'll res it, I'll res him.
I got him.
Nah, don't even. I'm dead. I'm gonna change my LMG though. I got a big boy LMG now. Yo, this gun packs a punch.
Yo, I'm swinging my laser in the air. Run to that.
Yeah, I'm coming towards you guys. I'm gonna have to blow up some gates though.
I'll go get him. I'll go get those gates.
Hello.
Yo, he's here. He's here. Oh, teammate dead? Where'd he go?
Over here.
Yo, get back over here. We're about to breach compound. Who just blew? Who?
Yeah, I'm on my way. I just cleared out the helicopter area.
Alright. Let's go. Let's go. All breach. All breach. I got a shotgun.
Alright. I got my LMG ready.
You ready? Stack up.
Mhm.
How the fuck do I breach it?
Hold
Sorry.
on, I'm just gonna break the door.
I did aim at the door
Okay,
now.
there we
What
go.
the fuck?
You have a beanbag.
You were aiming a bit above it. Beanbag that is not gonna work.
He's right there.
Here, while you guys move upstairs, I can watch down here.
Oh shit, alright. So guys, now. Lasers are checked.
I'll stay down
You're
here and
dead?
make sure enemies
Oh, yeah,
don't
I got
push
you, I
up to
got
you
you.
guys.
I got you.
Thanks, game.
No, he's dead, head. He's dead. Nope. Dude, why does this look like an anti-aircraft gun, bro?
Bombs right there. Can you get that? Oh, shoot.
I'll watch you.
Can you get that bomb? My boundary's glitched.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Your outside clear. He's upstairs.
Okay, slowly push up.
I have like an
He's
anti-aircraft
always
gun
like
right
right
now.
there.
You guys need a 9-banger?
Alright, now guys,
no.
guys. Stack
Yeah,
up
yeah.
on the door. Stack up on the door. Alright, yeah.
He's definitely on this side, but that's
Alright, yeah,
pushed.
place it on this. Place it on this. Place it on this. Alright, guys,
Ready?
guys, you ready? Stack up. Stack up. Stack up. Alright, let's go.
I have an LMG, I'm not gonna
Snip him,
That
snip him,
Osama?
snip him.
That's Osama.
Here, I got it. Let me get my knife. Where's my knife?
Why you gotta stab him?
Ooh, I'm out of ammo.
You gotta clip the belt. Yeah, I forgot.
I don't think you guys
I
cut
clipped
the
the
wire.
I don't think
No,
so.
I forgot
think
that
so,
this,
bro.
this game's glitched, so it doesn't cut the wire properly. They gotta fix that.
Dude, something's
Bro.
fucking wrong with my controllers right now.
I might have blown you
What's wrong
guys
with
I
up.
got it, I got it. It's because I went to the home screen while I was moving forward.
Dude, look at this gun. It looks like an
Luckily,
anti-aircraft
it had like 5
gun on, like, a
respawns that were chill.
battleship.
Hold up, wait, let me
Yeah, I wanna just redo
Shit,
this.
that do look like an anti.
Do you see this?
You wanna just redo this?
I
We kinda
know!
suck at
It looks
this.
like an anti-aircraft gun from World War II.
I
Look
agree.
at this thing.
Yo.
Yo, guys, question. Does anybody here play airsoft?
Yeah, I play Airsoft.
How
What?
bad does it hurt? Cause I'm thinking of doing
Don't
it.
do void.
It's not. It doesn't hurt that much. You put on pads.
Same here.
It's not really. It doesn't.
Yeah, I'm thinking of doing it with my friend, but it's really expensive.
Yeah, it's really expensive. My rifle is like
I'm
230,
thinking
bro.
of, like,
It's
renting it first, cause like I heard renting it, you can get like
Yeah.
a full kit
I
for
think
like,
I think I'm
$50.
just gonna buy a pistol.
a pistol. I wanna
I'm just
run
gonna
an
get a pistol if my parents can find it.
HK416. Those things are
Well,
sweet.
Wait, if you're running a pistol, you at least need armor still.
Yo,
That's a fair
Post, can you just?
Well, yeah,
you wanna just
it's just
restart
I'm
the
really
mission?
fast.
Where
So
are
I'm just
y'all?
gonna do
I'm
a
putting
pistol.
my laser up in the air.
We see you. I almost shot you dead because I thought you were an enemy, but we're coming towards you.
I'm pretty sure is friendly fire off.
Yeah, so.
No, I think it's on.
No, friendly fire's off.
I'm gonna
Yeah,
get
let me
that
breach
circle
this.
thingy that's
Alright,
in
nice.
Bomber's house.
Okay, we're just going that way. Yo, where you at? Where you at?
Well, I need to get the bomb. He's right there.
Yeah, yep, I'll cover you.
Let me.
I was just breaking the door down.
Makes sense. Who the fuck was that?
Oh, I got another Big Mac.
I say
got
after
another
we
Big
finish
Mac.
this, we do this map again because we kind of sucked. We kept dying.
Yeah, let's redo it after this.
We did. We should try and do like a 0 death run.
Yeah, if we-
Should
if
turn
we-
night off or keep night on?
No, night. That's how they did it in real life. They just. It's always on night. They always operate at night.
Yeah, they did. Okay, by the way, helicopter area is clear, so don't worry about enemies.
I don't
Right
know
there,
if
right
you
there.
breathe metal.
Door. At the door. At the door.
Looks clear. What?
Friendly's.
Yeah, I
friendly's-
killed them all a while ago.
Friendly.
Who got bomb? Who got bomb? Who got bomb? Who has the bomb?
I do.
Yo, come to heli. It's clear in here.
I'm coming.
We should all run HK416s. This is the gun that killed Osama.
Alright, let's do it.
That's it. Actually,
I think
see
I'm gonna run
black
this.
monkey.
Oh, yeah, we were-
Anti-aircraft.
I think I'm
I'm
gonna
pretty sure
run
SEAL. I'm pretty sure SEAL Team 6 run MK18s, 416s, and LMGs.
Alright, yo, he's
So
planting. He's
our
planting.
loadout's basically chill.
I think I'm gonna go with this
25
bad boy.
seconds.
Looks like a.
Well, yeah, they have to
Ah, boy,
run. They have to
did,
run
did,
some
it,
kind
it's
of.
planted. It's armed. It's armed. It's armed.
shoot,
Go,
here.
go.
Let me blow this open.
We'll be fine.
Yo, watch out, watch out.
Break the door down. Say hello. Sounds amazing.
Let's button this up and get you folks home.
Okay, let's take this
Red
side.
Smoke at your LZ.
Our loadouts and everything before.
Extraction's en route. Keep those guns up. We have eyes on multiple enemies
Got the
headed your way.
truck.
Find cover. Find cover. There's armored truck coming in.
I got this.
All done.
Did anybody watch Zero Dark 30?
I watched towards the alleyway.
I watched the SEAL Team 6 part. It was
Teammate down, cover me, I'm resin him. Oh shit, he...
I'm dead. I'm running AK.
I got my
An
my
AK?
I'm out of ammo. I'm being shot at.
ETA
Use the
30
pistol.
seconds.
get in the circle.
ETA 20 seconds, get back to the drop zone.